Hey guys, so you should have already set up this chart in your journal with the last video that I made so that you can take notes along with me while we discuss rules for adding ed and ing to words. So the first word that we are going to look at, we're going to be looking at words that go into the no change section, okay? The first word we're going to look at is the word sing. Okay, in the word sing, we have a vowel in it, but the vowel is not one of the last two letters. It's not one of the last two letters. Sing, S-I-N-G. So with this word, to make the word singing, or, we wouldn't really say singed, we would say sung. It's one of those special cases for past tense. So to add ing to the word, we just add ing to it, and it becomes singing. Okay, so we'll add that to our list. Oh, I set my marker down. There it is. Okay, so the no change section, sing becomes singing. We just add an ing to it. Okay, now we don't add an ed to sing because it's one of those special past tense words like we learned about. I can't remember if that was last week or 2 weeks ago, but it would be sung for past tense. So we're not going to discuss adding ed to that word since it's not a word that we would add ed to. Okay, what about the word talk? In the word talk, like the word sing, the last two letters are consonants. So I could be talking, or I could have talked a lot on the phone. I could be talking on the phone currently, or I could have talked a lot on the phone. So there's no change to that word. It's either talk, and we add ing, or it's talked, where we have the word talk, and we just add ed. Okay? These are going to be all of the no change words that we're going to look at today. Okay, words where the last two letters are just consonants. Okay? Now, what about the word trip? T-R-I-P. In the word trip, we have a consonant, vowel, consonant. When we have a vowel consonant at the end, we're going to double the consonant. And that'll kind of make more sense once we get to this rule here, drop the final E. Okay? So to make the word tripped or tripping, we would double the P and then add ing or ed. Okay, so we're going to start with the word trip, T-R-I-P, and you should be writing these in your journal along with me because your assignment is to take notes. Okay, and you're going to submit a photo of your notes to me. So we start with the word trip, and we double the consonant because it ends with a vowel consonant. So we add a P, and we add ed to make the word tripped. And we do a very similar thing for adding ing, T-R-I-P, and then we double the consonant, which is the ending P, and we add ing to make it tripping. I am currently tripping over myself, or I tripped down the hallway. Either past tense or present. The next double consonant word that we're going to look at is the word beg. And like the word like the word trip, beg ends in a vowel consonant. So we're going to double that consonant since it ends in a vowel consonant. So we'll begin with the word beg, and we'll add ed to it. Beg, it's a vowel consonant, so we need to double the consonant, and then we'll add ed to make it the word begged. I begged for some pizza. I wanted some so badly. Or my dog is begging for pizza currently. Okay, to make the word begging, we'll start with the word beg. We'll double the consonant since it ends in a vowel consonant, and we'll add ing to make the word begging. The last double consonant word we will look at today is the word dim. D-I-M. Dim. And you'll notice again, it ends in a vowel consonant. These last two letters are a vowel consonant. So that means that it's going to follow the rule of doubling the consonant. So to make the word past tense, we'll start with dim. And then we will double the consonant, add an M, and then add E-D. Dimmed. I dimmed the lights so that it would be darker. Or she is dimming the lights currently, to make it present tense. So to make it present tense, adding ing, we start with dim, D-I-M. We double the consonant, which means we have two M's, and we add ing. Okay? Tripped, tripping, begged, begging, dimmed, dimming. All double consonants because they all end in a vowel consonant. Now our third rule is changing Y to I. And we do this a lot of times when we add, we were adding ES to words, weren't we? We were making them plural. That's what we were doing, not past tense. Because we were changing like mice to mouse. I got a little bit confused there. Sorry, that was a recall, my brain connecting the dots from something that I was thinking about earlier. Okay. Oftentimes when words end in a Y, but we're changing the word to make it like plural or past tense or present tense, adding an ED or an S or an ING, we change that Y to an I. It's very often. So we're going to start with the word hurry. 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 But I want to change the word to hurried. I hurried to catch the bus. So we're going to start with the word hurry, Hurry, but we're going to change that Y to an I, and then we can add the ED to make it past tense. So we change the Y to I, and we add ED to write hurried.